Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the display, which is right here. Then let's tap on the screen timeout, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 30 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately marked and also visible right here, which means that from now on, after 30 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.